What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree and I just discovered this really nice quality trifold pill and storage box. I mean, you don't have to use it for pills, but I think it's really nice. It would be good for jewelry if you're traveling. This came from you-know-where. Do you see the yellow sticker underneath? That means it came from Walmart. But we have another one too. If you need a little organizer sort of box, we have the 3-a-day pill organizer, morning, noon, and night. Super cute, color coded. If you guys watch my lives, you guys have probably seen these, but these are brand new from Preparation H. Yes, you guys, name brand, soothing relief, hydrocortisone, 1%. Definitely more than $1 everywhere else. We have a lot of great things this week. We have so many great name brand socks, even more varieties than we saw last week. We have brand new Milani polishes. We have base coats, purple. We have glitter. We have some high-speed, fast-drying varieties. And don't forget about the hard candy polishes. The boxes aren't marked, but you guys told me it was hard candy, and I actually bought 2 and took them out of the box. And yes, they are hard candy, and I can't wait to wear them. Not like I need any more nail polish, but you know, when has that ever stopped me from buying more? My collection is probably, I don't know, maybe not as big as this, but it feels like it is. And a lot of them I keep in my refrigerator because that's the best place to keep nail polish. Let's head on over. Oh, look at these. These are new. For kids' sunglasses. They're super cute. So many varieties. Aww, those are so adorable. To those of you that missed the live, I want to show you some of the sock varieties that we have for the week, because we have a lot more gold toe socks and they are really nice. We even have compression socks. These go for, I think, $12 each. Yeah. These socks go for $12 each everywhere else. This feels so nice. This Argyle, we have 2 packs of Argyle. We have pretty purple. We have brown. We have even more down here. We have the odor control variety. We have the 2-pack all sport varieties, even in black. Look at these, you guys. Look at these. Pure quality, so nice, so heavy, so well done. We even have the vintage collection. These normally go for $8 each, you guys. An $8 pair of socks. I'm just so impressed with Dollar Tree this week and last week. That's what I love. Just keep bringing us these name brand things. Keep bringing us $8 and $11 and $13 items that we can get for just $1. I love it. I had to check these out because Birdy really likes these. The satin pillowcases. We don't just have them in white, but we also have them in black, in this sort of plum, khaki, and white color. And we have them in this black and white. And I just love the little sparkles. Just kind of reminds me of like diamond sparkles. Super cute. I don't know which ones I should get. I definitely want to get some more of the white ones, but I kind of want to get the black and white ones too. And then look at this, you guys. This is also brand new. We have brand new shower curtains. We have another one down here. I think it says relax and unwind. We have clear. Now, I don't mind using these with a fabric shower curtain, even though they are a little bit breezy, if you guys know what I mean. I prefer heavier ones, but if I really need a new one and I'm just like, oh, let me grab it so I don't forget, then I would definitely grab one here. Okay, you guys, let's head down this way. They are going to be closing soon, so I'm not going to be able to film too much. What are these? Rescue sheet masks? Facial sheet masks. The little caboodle dupes are back. We have bath salts, rose. We have sage and cedar. And we have peony. 17.6 ounces per container. You Grow Girl stickers. Oh, Gator wanted some more of this. He wanted more clay, and I haven't been able to find it for about 3 weeks. But today's my lucky day. Okay, do we have any new toys? What's this? Banana. Silly Sense dough. I'm just seeing the banana. Lots of paint like usual. Tempera paint. Ooh, I think some of these are new. Look at this one. So pretty. Orange, blue, green, green glitter, pink. Look at all these. We also have acrylic, lots of fall colors. What's this? Pouring medium. I think this is when you pour it over for a glossy look, but I'm not positive. Washable paint. Eye-popping purple and fluorescent green. Non-toxic paint. All of these are washable on the top. Sequins, the cute eyeballs, the jewels and gems. We have beads, we have the metallic markers. My struggle cart and I are about to finish up because this location is about to close. I'm gonna look at some of the school supplies really quick because I still have some coupons for some free Bic items. Oh, and by the way, in case you guys missed my live, we have a lot of really pretty fall colors, the whole coordinating set with the rubber bands, the pretty push pins, the big paper clips. Look at these. So pretty. That is definitely a new color. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me, and I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.